Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop sharing your location on Instagram. Let's get right to it. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you're on your profile page, go to the top right corner and tap on the hamburger icon. This will open a menu with various options. Scroll down until you find the Your App and Media section. In this section, tap on Device Permissions. A few options will appear. Look for Location Services and tap on it. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an option that says Update Device Settings. Tap on this. A pop-up will appear prompting you to open your device settings. Tap Open Device Settings. This will redirect you to the App Settings page for Instagram on your device. Then tap on Permissions. Here, find the Location option and tap on it. Under the Allow Location Access section, change the option to Don't Allow. And that's it. You've successfully disabled location sharing on Instagram. This will help protect your privacy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more privacy tips. Thanks for watching.